Today, I'll show you how to add a location in Google Maps. Adding a location is useful when a place is missing from Google Maps, such as a business, landmark, office, shop, school, or public place. You can suggest the location, and Google may review it before it appears publicly. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Now search for the area where the place should appear. You can zoom in on the map to find the exact location. Next, tap and hold on the map where the place is located. This will drop a pin on that spot. At the bottom of the screen, open the location details. Now look for the option called Add a Missing Place. Tap Add a Missing Place. Google Maps will open a form where you can enter the location details. Start by typing the place name. Then choose the correct category, such as restaurant, store, office, hotel, school, or another option that matches the place. Next, check the address. Make sure the pin is placed correctly on the map. If needed, move the pin to the exact entrance or location. Now add extra details if you have them. You can include the phone number, website, opening hours, photos, and other useful information. The more accurate information you provide, the easier it is for Google to review the location. After filling in the details, tap Submit. Google will review your suggestion. If it is approved, the location may appear on Google Maps later. You can also check your contribution status from your Google Maps profile under Contributions. And that's it. You've successfully added a location in Google Maps. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.